We're building a cart. That's right. Are you excited? Yeah. All right.
All right, let's get started.
All right. Yeah, good. Keep going. Good. There you go.
I was gonna put it on.
Okay.
I can use some help. Close is good. Close, that's good.
Close is good. Keep going. All right. You're doing great. Don't get frustrated. You're too young to throw things across the shop.
Ow, ow,
All right, you ready?
ow. Gonna do that one.
Keep going. Good. Look at that, dude. You only pretty much rounded it off. Good. Oh my God. Well, all right, here we go. Do this one again. You want to do this? Slow. Oh, God. We're rounding everything off. This is taking way longer than it should. I want you to know that. Let's put the top on. What do you think?
Hello, Big Boo.
Big Boo.
Here you go, neighbor.
God dang, lady. Don't throw tools.
Okay, lady.
Man, you hit me right on the knuckle with it. What was I thinking? Having you do this with me. What was I thinking?
Don't be coded. Be coded because I'm being funny.
Come on. God, we still have another side to do after this before we... Then we have to tighten them. Here. Then we have to do the wheels. This thing's going to be rickety and fall apart when we're done. I know it. And it shouldn't. It should be easy. Time to put the wheels on.
Yep.
So this time, other way. Other way,
Sometimes
other way,
I feel
other way.
like a nut.
Sometimes I feel...
Sometimes.
Keep going. There you go. Push it all the way around. There you go. All right, we got a wardrobe change. Let me see. Looks great. All right, you ready?
Thank you.
Let's flip this bad boy over.
Thank you. Bye for watching my video.